walked alone under the cloudy sky. Each step I took felt like a goodbye. The world stood still as I called your name, but the echo returned, it wasn't the same. Your laughter fades like a distant breeze. It lingers soft, then vanishes with ease. The memories haunt me, they won't let go, like whispers of love in the falling snow. Heart in the rain, drowning in pain, searching for sunlight, but it's all in vain. You were my shelter, my safe little space. Now all I've got is the ghost of your face. I see your shadow in every street, your phantom smile, it's bittersweet. I try to run, but I can't escape the weight of the love that we tried to shape. The storm will pass, or so they say, but it's been forever since you went away. I hold on tight to the threads of the past, hoping that somehow this ache won't last. Heart in the rain, drowning in pain, searching for sunlight, but it's all in vain. You were my shelter, my safe little space. Now